Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me well. So let's begin with today's video. Today I just want to fix a bug and I want to write clean code. So first let me tell you this, I'm working on a project which is a age calculator. If you enter your birthday then it will calculate the age. For example, I'm putting 20 April 2008. I'll click on submit and I'll get the age, but there is a bug here which I have to fix. So let's do that. So 24 2008 submit and there is a bug. So let's fix that bug. Let's go to logcat and let's see what error it is giving. So the error is that 2008 420 could not be passed at index 5. So this is the bug. The bug is that we have to enter the day and the month in 2 digits. If I enter 4 here, then it will not take. I'll have to enter 04. So let's fix that. And here what I want is whenever the user enters number 4, it should automatically be converted to 04. So let's see how we can do it. Yeah, 20 April 2008 and yep. So it's giving the problem at line 40. Yeah, okay, understood. Yeah, so let's do it here only actually. Here, after this, okay, let's do it here. If how do we check that? Our month is, first let's do the month. Month is value 2 or let's do value 3. If val 3, which is the third value or the day, dot length str val 3 dot length is equals to 1. Okay, so 1 character. Then what to do is insert a 0 before that. So value 3 or str val 3 is equals to 0 plus str val 3. So like this. Yeah, I want like this. Now let's try if this is working or not. Let's do toast main activity dot this, and here let's insert str val 3. I don't know if this is going to work or not. So 20 April 2008. There are so many toasts here, I don't know which one is going to be first. Okay. This and this. Okay, now let's try it. April 2008. Submit. See, it keeps stopping. So there is some error actually. It's to log.d and general. Oh yeah, actually I forgot something. Yeah, actually. Yeah, now maybe it will work. 204/2008. Yeah, it's working now. So we did it for days. Yeah. Now let's do for months. Else if strval2 dot length is equals to 1, then strval2 is equals to 0 plus strval2. Yep, there you go. Okay, now let's try this. So suppose it's 2 April 2008. Now let's try this. No, there is some error here. I don't think there should be an else if. There should be a if only actually. Let's try that. 2/4/2008. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, now it's working properly. So let's test the app again. If there is no bugs, then we can move on. Let's say I want 4 October 2021, so which is tomorrow. So it will not let you enter. So there you go, our app is fully functional. Now let's make our code clean. So as you know, the rule in coding is basically do not repeat yourself. Do not repeat your code. So let's check here what I am repeating. So basically I am repeating this here. I am repeating it here again. Yeah, so I am repeating this 2 times. So I don't want to repeat it. So instead of repeating it again and again, I'll put it in a variable. So let's do that. Yeah, but I have already done that here. See this right here. This is actually here. So I can write, instead of integer.parseInt strval1, I can just write val1. Simple. And here also I can write value 1. And instead of this I can write value 2. And here also I can write value 3. So like this. And this also I think I'm using Yeah, I'm using 2 times, so let's put this in a variable. Like this, I'll copy it. I'll make a variable here, public, and what this basically does is it takes the dby and which is the date formatter. So date formatter dot format my d, and what is my d here? It is my new date. So it formats new date. Okay. Okay. So it basically gets the current year. Okay. So it's basically gets the current year. So current year is equals to this. But it's showing some error here. Oops, sorry. Public, and I suppose this is a date, not date actually. It returns in a string form, not string actually, int form. Right, let's see what's the problem. Oh yeah. It takes the date, year, and it returns as an integer. Am I right? Dot format. No, it returns as a string basically. Dot format. My d. So let me check this. Toast main activity dot this plus current year. (2021). Okay, and if I write string here, then it will not work. So basically it returns int, so we'll do int. Yeah, there you go. I'll remove this, and here I'll write current year. Now what problem it has? Oh yeah, actually, yeah, now we are done with this. So wherever you see like this, you just put current year. And yeah, there you go. And here also we are doing like that. So strword dot equals empty, so it should not be empty like this. So let's make a variable of boolean because this returns boolean. So public boolean, and let's name it year empty is equals to like this. and here I can just replace it by here empty. So here not empty, actually the year should not be empty and the value should be greater than the current year minus 120. Okay, boolean months not empty is equals to, I'll just copy it like this. So months not empty, and let's do day not empty. So boolean day not empty. Let's take this right here and put it here. So day not empty. Now this is looking a bit clean. And here basically I don't have any use of it. These, I'll just remove these. Yeah, there you go. Let's try if it's working or not. Let's say a birthday, I'll put nothing there. Second month and 2007. Why it's crashing now? Okay, there's a problem here. I don't understand what's the problem. For input string empty, that only I'm saying now. It should not be empty. Okay, yeah, we can't parse it if it's empty. Yeah, so I'll have to move it down, I suppose. Okay, I'll just control X. And in the if statement, yeah, actually I was doing this wrong. Okay, yeah, there is no other option, so I'll have to do it like this only. Because if there is no value entered, then how will it parse it? So that's the problem now. Okay, let's try it now. Let's say second month 2008. Yeah, now it's working. And if I enter suppose 1800, so let's try that. So it will not work. Now after that, let's check what all we can clean now. Okay, so getting day of year from year, month and day the user entered. Okay, day of year, where do I need that day of year actually? Yeah, there is something. Okay, so it's never used actually. There is no use of this, so I'll just delete them. Okay. Here also I'll delete this, no use. And why have I entered this boolean? Okay, basically I want to check if it's a leap year. So basically what I'm doing here is, if the month is February, and then if it's a leap year and it's February, then the user should enter the days less than or equal to 29. But if it's not a leap year and it's February, then the user should enter till 28. And this actually I have found a different thing. Instead of writing this to calculate leap year, there is like a inbuilt method, local date dot is leap year, not dot max actually. Now it's giving errors. Sorry, actually I need that. The user year, so val 1 is leap year. And let's do local date dot, wait, there is something wrong here. See, the value 1 is a integer. So how will it be is leap year? So I'll have to convert into local date. So let's see how to do that. And here I am opening a new tab. How to convert int to local date in Java. How to get current year in Java using local date. Okay, so get year basically. Yeah, now I got it. Let's do Ctrl X and paste it. Year, yeah, that's fine. And let's get the year, month, and okay, so local date, and then user year, date final dot get year. Now there is some problem here. Sorry, int, I suppose. Yeah. Let's make a toast main activity dot this, and let's do user here. Oh yeah, there is a problem here, na? So let me do user here. Dot is leap year. No, it's still not working. Cannot resolve method dot is leap year. Yeah, actually it's a int again, na? So we don't want that. So let's try to check if it's a leap year. So how to do that actually? How to check if a date in Java is a leap year using local date. Now method of the class. Okay. The year and the current object. Wait a second. No. This is a problem now. I want to convert this into a local date, not an integer. So what to do now? Get year. This will also not work. No. Let's try this again. Wait, actually. No, I'm getting a problem. Oh yeah, actually, yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, let's try now. Suppose let's do 2020 of 3, sorry, 23, 2020. True, so 2020 is a leap year. And if I do 2021, I get false. Okay, so basically this is working. Yeah, this is working. So we just want to check if it's a leap year or it is not. And why are these extra brackets here? And this is also of no use. Yeah, and here also I'll just replace it by user here. Okay. Yeah. This also is of no use right now. Here what I'm doing is, okay, the user date should not be, after this date, after current date. Okay. After local date dot now. See, I'm doing this again. So integer dot pass int str2. Again write value 2. Okay. This is an intent. Okay. Okay. So now to make our code more clean, let's add some comments which will describe our code. Before that, let's go to main activity 2.java and let's see here if we can clean something. Well, why do we need this date final? I think I've already made this year, na? Date final. Local date, date final. So this is the final date. Yeah, I've already made this year. So I can just pass it from this file to that file. And I can do is intent.put extra key 4 and date final. Let's define key 4 and like this. And after passing date final, let's get that local date date final is equals to in1 dot get local date, no actually get I think it is string extra main activity dot key 4. Then get string. I want to get local date now. Okay, let's just leave it. I think it doesn't matter much. Okay, so let's try the app again. Let me put 2/29 to 2020. So basically it should allow. And if I put 2021, then it should. Why it's crashing? Invalid date February 29 as 2021 is not a leap year. Invalid date February 29 as 2021 is not a leap year. Yeah, so that is invalid date. Okay, so this basically date final should come after that. Okay, yeah. So this if statement should come above, like here. And this should basically be converted, yeah. So maybe it will work now, or is it there are some problems? There should be some solution actually. You want to check if it's a leap year or if it's not. Now that's the problem now. I need this up here. What to do now actually? Can we put this right here? So like this, starting also. And like this. But still it doesn't know what is bool 1 and bool 2, so let's do like this. No. Let's try that again. Let's say I put 29 February 2021. Still it is crashing. Yeah, it's showing the same error again. Yeah, so what we did was we just put it here. Okay, so where do we need date final? We need it here now. Yeah, we need it there. Yeah, we can do one thing actually. We can do like, we can put a if statement here, I suppose. See, if bool 1 and all, bool 1 or bool 2. So what the bool 1 says is basically if it's February and it's a leap year. Okay, if it's February and if it's a leap year, then allow till it should be less than 29. Okay. Otherwise, if it's February and if it's not a leap year, then only do this. Or if it's not February at all. Where do I have the error? Okay, so I have the error with date final. Yeah, let's try that now. Let's say it's 29 to 2021. Yep, it's working now. And if I put 2020, yeah, good, great. So it's working now. Okay, good. So let's test the app for the last time. If everything is correct. Let's put 4 October actually. 4 October 2021. Then it's not valid. But 2020, then it's valid. If I do 3 October, yep. Yeah, it's working. Let's try empty. No, not working. Let's try. Oh, yeah. There is one error. Wait, my laptop is 21% charged. Let me keep it charging. Yeah, so what error did it cause now? Let's see. Invalid value for day of month. Huh. So I had put a boolean here now. And oh, actually, wait a second. $233 to 2020. Yeah, then what was happening actually? Yeah, what error did it cause before? Yeah, then what error was that? I didn't understand that. Yeah. Yeah, so some error it caused here. Not this. This. Yeah, when I did 233, 3 and 2020, then it caused some error. Invalid value for day of months. Yeah, that only I said na. Values 1 is but I checked it here na that the day of month str3. Okay, I didn't check it at all. See, the error it's giving is invalid day. Okay, it's an invalid day. So let's put that. Yeah, let's actually put that. The day should be between 1 and 31 actually. Yeah, that's right. And let's put a bracket here first. Yeah, but I have put it here now. I've already put it here. That. Oh yeah, this is the bug. I have to put 3 here, not 2. Yeah, actually. Yeah, let's try that now if it's working or not. 233 and 2021. Invalid date 2020. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, now our app is working properly. Yep, I suppose all bugs fixed, I suppose. Yeah, I think all bugs are fixed. Yeah, so our app is ready. Now let's go to the clean code. Let's see what all warnings it is giving. So unused import statement. Yeah, so I'll just delete this. To get local formatting, use get date instance, get time instance, get time instance, or use new simple date format like this. No, I'll just ignore this error. DBM is never used? How come? Okay, so these are never used. Let's delete. This is also never used actually. Let's delete. No, I don't want. Okay, so no more warnings. Okay, and let's delete this. Yeah. So let's start with clean code. Getting the year from the current date. The current year from the current date. No, actually. Getting the year from the date given. DPY, yeah. Getting the current year actually. The current date. Yeah, okay. Getting views from the application. This will execute only when the button is clicked. Okay. And strval1 is basically the user getting user inputs and converting it to string. So strval1 is equals to the year is the year, strval2 is the month, and strval3 is the day. Okay. Creating booleans to use in if statement checking that the fields are not empty. Okay, and then yeah, and here what we're trying to do is checking that basically yeah, this is just checking. This is only allow the calculation, like don't allow the user to enter an empty field and don't allow the year to be less than, or like basically don't allow the age of the user to be less than, to be like actually bigger than 120 years. Okay, don't allow the user to enter a date which is bigger or after the current date. Actually the year and checking if the month is not empty. Sorry. And allow user to enter months between 1 and 12 only. Allow the user to enter days less than 31 only. Yeah, actually I forgot to try something. Let's go to calendar. So January has 30 days. Let's try 31, 1, 10, 21. Wait, how come? How many days does January have in 2021? "31 days, okay. And what's showing till 30 only? Don't know. Oh yeah, let's try April. Yeah, see, it's crashing. So let's try how to check if a month has 30 days in Java. Okay. Yeah, more work to do. So basically months with 31 days. Case 4, case 6, case 9 and case 11. Okay, so detect months with 31 days. Which are the months with 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Wait, yeah. So these have 31 days. Then, okay. These January. Yeah, let's try January here. January was working. March was also working. May 31 May 2021. Yeah, May also has. But if I do June, then it doesn't has. Yeah. So this is basically the months which don't have 31 days. Yeah, what I want is if the month doesn't have if the month only has 30 days, then the user should enter only 30 days, like till 30 days. Okay, so this is a problem I'm facing and I need to solve it. And where to do it is, I think, in this if statement here, in the first if statement, I suppose. Yeah, let's do it. Month is equals to, okay, or month is equals to, yeah, actually. If str, well, actually, if value 2, because value 2 is the month, is equals to 4, I guess. So 4th, which is April, or the month is June, or the month is August 8, or it is October, or is it December? Then allow the user to enter date, okay, if these are the months and the month should be less than the value 2 should be less than or equals to 30 because these have 30 days. Okay. Yeah, so I can just do Control X and I'll try to put it here somewhere. Day not empty and it is less than 31. Copy, paste. Oops, actually. Yeah, I did some mistake here. The day should be less than 30, not the month. Yeah, now maybe it will work. Control X. Let's put it here. And this. I'll just copy this one. Copy because this is a month. Paste. Oops. Yeah, and if it is like April or something, and then only allow the user to enter less than 30. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. I just have to try. Wait, yeah, actually I'll delete this. Let's try now. So let's put 31 April 2021. Yeah, so yeah, it's working, I guess. Yeah, it's working. But if I do this, then also it's working. And if I do like, yeah, working. Don't put this, then also working. Put this, then also working. If I put this, then also working. And if I put 4 October 2021, yeah, so basically our app is fully ready now with 0 bugs, I guess. Yeah, I don't have any bugs here. So I do 2, then also, and if I do 29, then also it's wrong. If I do 28, well then it's correct. If I do 29, wait, what? How come please 28 February 2021. 2020 is not a leap year, so it will be allowed till 28 now. There is some problem here actually. Yeah, because actually this is correct. If I write what problem is it giving now? So basically the month is February and the month is February and it's a leap year, then it should allow to be less than 29. Yeah, actually. And if it's February and it's not a leap year, yeah, if it is not a leap year, then allow it to be less than 28. Yeah, so what's wrong here? Boolean 1 or like this, or allow if the month is not at all equal to February. Yeah, then what's the problem here? Why is it not allowing actually? Wait, am I live or not? A second, I'm live right now. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm live. Wait, what problem is giving now? It's 2 March 2021. So why is it giving some errors? Okay, now I'll have to see for this. One more bug I'll have to find. Birthday 2nd February 2020. I do it like this. Then also it's not allowing. Huh? What the hell? Okay, so this bug also I'll have to fix. Yeah, I did some mistake here actually. So, and okay, or if the month is not at all this. Yeah, and or and integer or percent should be less than 20. Okay. Or if it is not this. Okay, I understood now, I suppose. Actually, Let's try this now actually, if it's working or not. It's working. It's yeah, and let's try 4. Yeah, so now our app is finally working, I suppose. Yeah, I suppose it's working now. Yeah, after so many fixing bugs. Yeah, now I suppose all the bugs are gone. Yeah, I do think like that. And this is actually a big amount like this. So just let's put like this. Wait, where are the errors? Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Let's suppose it's 31st April 2021. Great. Yeah, good. Now after doing this, yeah, what we were doing, yeah, we were adding comments, I suppose. Yeah, we were adding comments. Allow the user to enter days less than 31 only if the months are till actually the months are January and March, May, July, 9, 11. Yeah, these are the months which are 31. Allow the user to enter days till 30 only if the months are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There you go. Checking that if month is checking that if the days are allowed, if the user have entered days days according to the months converting string the user input which is in string to int. Allowing user to enter day less days till 28 if it's February and it's not a leap year, till 29 if it's February and it's a leap year. Allowing user to enter if it's not at all February. Don't check if it's not at all February. And then creating date, creating a local date out of the values the user has given. And then checking. Oh, here actually I put that. Yeah. Allowing, don't allow the user to enter a date which is after the current date. If the user has entered the month and the day or the day in one digit, convert it to two digits by adding a 0 so that it will give no errors while calculating age. Yeah, so comments is done. Let's go to the second activity and let's say receiving the values which were passed using intent. Creating a date by adding the user values. Checking the period of years, months and days between current date and the user date. Displaying the output. So there you go, our app is fully ready now with all the comments and all. Let's try it for once. So suppose I enter 20 April 2008. Yeah, I got. And if I enter like 2031, no, I'll not get because it's not valid. And if I do like 30 and 1 2021, yep, it will allow, of course. If I do 31 2 or let's say 4, yep, it will not allow. And if I do 4 October 2021, it will still not allow. So our app is fully functional app. Let's make it 9. Our app is a fully functional app. And yeah, there you go. It's done. I hope you enjoyed this. And actually this was my first live stream, so I was a bit nervous. I'll try to improve in the next live streams. And I'll meet you in the next video or maybe the next live stream. Till then, bye and take care.